Property inspection, documentation and validation is a major step in buying and selling of properties in several countries. In this video, we will show you how we helped one of our major real estate services clients in Australia to automate their manual inspection, analysis and report building to a complete online business process. The inspectors visits the properties with our mobile app, inspects, takes photos and draws electronic diagrams which are then instantly analyzed, and our sophisticated backend analysis engine generates reports based on the submitted data. So, now let me show you how we manage thousands of mobile devices from a single dashboard. We can check the active devices, health status of the devices, the connectivity status, disk users, form status, reports, initiate backups, execute remote commands and auto-upload to server, sync service orders, release applications, etc. The tablet is already connected and this is the backend section from where the devices are managed. And here is the admin dashboard. In the dashboard, we are displaying the active devices, that is within the last 1 hour how many devices are active, 5 in this case. We can also see the backups from other devices, releases and commands like create a backup and upload to server from the dashboard. Now let's go to the devices section. In this section, one can see all the devices and can filter the devices according to field technicians, can filter them branch-wise or according to date. The most important feature here is the health. Under circumstances where the RAM availability is low, or maximum RAM is already used, or disk space is low, or current application version differs from the latest version, the health will decrease. For the devices where the health is showing to be 90% is because the last heartbeat was received almost 32 minutes ago, and that caused a decrease in the health. The benefit of this is that in situations when there are many devices and someone wants to see at a glance which devices have less health, one can sort them in decreasing health status. According to this, we can take certain actions like send notifications, take backup, upload backup to server, restore backup in other devices and sync orders. We can hover on disk space or RAM to see the status, see the application version, heartbeat, that is how long it has been connected to the server, network details, whether connected over Wi-Fi or mobile, what is the signal strength, etc. When we want to take an action for a specific device, we have the action menu here. But in order to take action on multiple devices, we have the checkbox. Once we click the checkbox, all the devices will be selected and a specific action can be taken on the devices from the new menu on the top, as the menu against each specific devices are disabled. Another important feature is the form status. Once we hover over any form, we can see how many form submissions are pending, how many are submitted, how many uploaded, and how many submissions failed. The same thing happens with the attachments in the forms too. Let me now run a couple of actions. Let me connect my tablet first. Once the tablet is connected, the application needs to be opened before running any sort of commands. Click on the green menu and that takes us to the desktop, that is the dashboard. Here we are displaying all the menus. Let us go to the report section now. All the reports submitted will be displayed here. Coming back to the forms, let me start a new form, the building inspection one. Now let me select a service order ID. And then select an attachment. Once this is completed, we click on Save. Now if we go to the report section, we can see one form is in pending. The attachment can be displayed by clicking on the specific form. From here one can see whether data is uploaded to the server or sets are uploaded to the server and also their statuses. Another functionality we have is that of backups. We can see what backups are taken and also initiate backup and upload the backup to the server. We can see all the backups along with the backup size in the backup section. If you are a super user from the backend, you can manage permissions regarding who can restore backup and who cannot. Now let's go to the dashboard and take another backup. Now once we click on backup, here in the top, you can see that the backup started. Once the backup has been completed, you see a toast message is being displayed, and once we go to the backup section, we can see the new backup displayed there. Let us go back to the dashboard and click on backups. You see that we currently have 4 backups. Now we want to upload these backups, so we'll click on upload these backups. This backup is uploaded to the web server, and once uploaded we move the file to Amazon S3 so that this will not use the disk space of our production server. Once the backup has been uploaded successfully, we go back to the admin section and refresh the page. We can see the recent backup and also from which device the backup has been taken. We can also download this backup and save this backup. Now this is a secure download. So once this is downloaded and saved, see, this is a secure download. That is, if we visit the download link again, the file will not be downloaded. When we inspect, you can see that access denied, some sort of secure communication with S3. The backups can also be restored. As an admin, you can initiate backup from the website itself. Now if I want to take a backup from a specific device, I'll go to the device and I select take backup. Once I select take backup and I answer yes to this, you can see that the backup has started. Now as an admin, what I'll do next is take backup and upload to the server. It will create a backup on the device and upload it to the server. Device will get a notification, take backup and upload the backup to the server. And it has been uploaded successfully. Now also, once we go back to the dashboard and go to devices, we see there is another option called sync service order. So once we click on sync service order, the device will be sent a notification, and once we click on yes, the device will start syncing. Now how can we confirm whether the backups were at all taken or were synced or not? We can confirm that from the command section. We can see it from the device status. We can see that at what time the command was sent and at what time the device received it, also at what time the commands were completed. Now let us go to the application release section. From here we can release new application. Let me demonstrate this. Earlier we used to send the APK manually, but now we can upload the APK and there is no need to specify the version name or the code or anything, as we'll validate all those things on our own, so that we're not able to upload the same APK all over again. Now let us go back to the release new application, and the first thing that we have to do is select an APK. So let me select an APK. Okay, this one. Now open it and I can write a few release notes. Like service order issue fixed and report section implemented, and we can also mark this as the minimum required version. So we'll just have to tick the checkbox over there to make it the minimum required version. That's all for the video. Thank you very much.